Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region in northwest China has entered its large-scale cotton harvest period this year. In Yuli County, Mongolian Autonomous Prefecture of Baingoling, agricultural technology has become a booster for bumper harvest.
今年我们合作社的棉花生产在技术上主要采取了适度增加密度，使每亩收获株数由去年的13000株增加到今年的15000株。同时，在播种上，我们采取了干播湿出、双膜覆盖、适期早播等技术。这些技术的应用，有效地增加了棉花的生长周期，提高了棉花产量，提升了棉花品质。在棉花的生长管理期，我们采取了水肥一体化、全程无人机飞访。这些技术的应用，极大地降低了劳动强度，节约了种植成本。
Yuli County is one of the major quality cotton producers in China. In recent years, the county's technological cotton planting level has been significantly improved.
灌水、施肥病虫害防治呢，都实现了智慧化，就在手机上操作就可以完成这些作业。农业技术的推广呢，咱们成本更加下降了，用人更少了。
Besides, machine cotton pickers have been put into use during the harvest season in Yuli County. This year, the county has planted 1.01 million mu of cotton plants. 98% of them are harvested by machines. The harvesting work is expected to continue until mid-November.